SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation is pleased to show you its new interface. Interact with SAP Intelligent RPA in a more intuitive way and greatly improve your experience. Easily navigate the Cloud Studio thanks to its new design. The Project Explorer panel is now responsive. See how the Generate Package button is accessible from all tabs. You can now generate a package at any time. Switch with ease between the Artifacts and Dependencies views to build your projects more quickly. Click the Create and Import buttons under the same Plus button to start working on your projects. Use the new search bar to search for the artifacts you have created. You can also open the timeline view at any time by clicking this button. The Cloud Factory has also changed. Improve your experience with SAP Intelligent RPA thanks to the new design of different tabs. For example, the Projects and Packages tabs are now redesigned as lists to quickly retrieve information and easily filter content. The Environments tab also got the same new look. In this new Environments view, you can order the environments in any way you like. Check out the update in the Jobs table too. Click the drop-down arrow next to Monitoring and select Jobs. You can now view your traces directly into the Jobs table. Discover the new design of SAP Intelligent RPA now and enjoy working on your projects.